That's a funny one, Q. Let me see if we'll do it again. He did the double fist earlier.
Ah. He's not quite used to the idea of my eyes being there.
Yeah. Isn't that weird, Q?
And back to the zipper. Gee.
Good one.
Ow. Try and dig off my nose. Ah. I think this may be the first time he's seeing me without my glasses on.
Yeah. Who's that guy that's holding you? Doesn't your dad usually wear glasses?
And now he's going after my double chin.
Then you can tell it's your dad because of the double chin. I love that he did a lot of the hat hitting thing, which I find extremely cute.
Ow. This kid's beating me up.
He's just practicing his hand and finger skills.
Yeah, he's doing a good job.
Pull that hair. Pull that hair. Pull that hair. Pull that hair. Way to go.
You're egging him on, you know.
Quentin, where's Ruby? Where's Ruby? Where's Ruby? Where's Ruby? Roof, roof.
Yes, that's my eyeball. Please don't pull it
Roof,
out.
roof. No. Yeah, she's back there. That's right. Ruby. Ruby. Good girl. Let's see if we can give her a biscuit. See if we can give her a biscuit. Watch, Q. Watch. Look. Ooh.
Here goes Ruby. I'm being attacked by a baby. Being attacked by the baby.